There's a secret in your mouth, flowing north and flowing south. It's not magic, it's not a dream, it's your own saliva stream. Living glands side by side, work together, arms open wide. They keep your smile fresh and clean, with a silky, healthy sheen. This is part of Dr. Janie educational lectures. Let it flow, let it glide, helping every bite inside. Chewing, tasting, keeping cool, saliva's your super tool. Glands are working day and night, even when they're out of sight. Parotid's up by your ear, watery spit always near. When you smell fries or pie so sweet, parotid starts the juicy beat. Submandibular down below, smooth and steady with its flow. It mixes thin with sticky charm, keeping your food safe from harm. Sublingual's the smallest one, under your tongue it gets things done. Its mucus blend is soft and neat, helping coat each bite you eat. Tiny glands in lips and cheeks, drip and drop through days and weeks. You don't see them but they try, to keep your smile from going dry. Let it flow, let it glide, helping every bite inside. Words and snacks and bedtime yawns, saliva works till morning dawns. Some say thank you when you chew, your glands are always there for you. This is part of Dr. Janie educational lectures.